Hey guys, Jack and Just. This is the world's second tallest Lego candy machine. This is just a cover up. I hope you guys like my new intro. But without further ado, this is the world's second tallest Lego candy machine. Alright, so I took the roof off the machine. This is what it looks like. So this is the world's second tallest Lego candy machine. Feels pretty good to say that. This is the largest thing I've made on my channel. Sorry for the lamp. There. It's huge, and it sits at a perfect 3 feet. It takes quarters and dispenses gumballs. I had glass pieces that went here. Well, I didn't. I had 2, but it took 12 to cover the whole thing. I didn't have enough gumballs to put in here. I only have 5, but it can hold, I don't know, maybe 40 or 50 in there. So I have 4 quarters with me, and then I have a dime, penny, and a nickel. So I'm going to set the quarters up here. Dime gets rejected, penny gets rejected, and the nickel gets rejected. But if you put in a quarter, turn the machine, and you get a gumball. So that's how it works. And why it's bouncing up like that is because when the handle turns, it pushes it like that, but the roof keeps it from doing that. Yeah. Whoa. I'm just gonna take this off. I think it holds 5 gumballs. Nope, 4. And this piece can come off, just like that. So the machine can hold 4 gumballs. And yeah. So here's what I got, and now I'm gonna show you how it works. So this machine, the back is very hollow for the mechanism. And the only reason for that is because there's a layer on top that feeds into there. That's where the gumballs go. So the lever has a chain that goes down into there, and then that piece will slide the gumball holder over to drop into there. And then it's a simple lock. It just goes down. That's actually a Technic piece. It works super good. And then this features that coin rejection mechanism I made a very long time ago. It rejects pennies, nickels, and dimes and accepts quarters. And yeah. And then all the gumballs just go down over there. It pulls this way and then pushes back. And yeah, that's the mechanism. So to get the coins back, you have to travel all the way down. And right here, actually, you can pull this to get all the quarters. And this is a 16 by 16 base plate right here. And it just slides in. You don't even notice it. It looks super good. And yeah. It slides over down into there, lifts the bar. You can turn this, and there's a hole right there-ish. And then it's dropped, and you can turn it back to grab the new gumball. And that hole is right there. And that goes all the way to the very bottom of the machine. In case you guys were wondering, the person who beat me on the Lego machines was Lego Wiz 777, and it's what he did is he got these 16 by 1 bricks, and he built them like that, which is an illegal building technique, but I would never do anything like that because I don't like doing illegal building techniques. And then he put a base like that on there. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing because that really helps me out and helps me gain support. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If YouTube lets you comment on even one of my videos, I always get notifications from it. So write a comment on one of my videos if you can. Look back, tell me what you want to see, and thank you guys for watching.